Slide with me real quick. Chosen ones, I don't think y'all understand what we've done. We got these dirty Masons and Eastern Stars tucking their tail. These Masons quiet as a church mouse now. See, people are always talking about the wealth transfer, right? But they don't want to talk about the power transfer. We done took our power back and took theirs. Why you think they wanted to ban TikTok? What you think that do to somebody pride who was used to selling out coliseums and stadiums? So you done did all that, right? Then you go on TikTok where you can't even pass 50,000 followers, but it's TikTokers with 1.2 mil, 500,000. And none of the TikTokers' followers is checking for this A-list celebrity. You gotta understand, these Masons and Eastern Stars, they was born with silver spoons, so they never been humble. But see, us chosen ones, we come from the streets. We come from the gutter. We actually been through it all. So it's gonna be harder to break that. See, you can break somebody that started off at the top, because that's all they know. But how you gonna break somebody who started off at the bottom, who started off in the midst of the turmoil? They skin too thick. Just think about it. Somebody that was born with a silver spoon, they gonna panic once the money get low. But we was born in a crisis. We was born broke. See, they was hardwired to think one way, but we were placed in every scenario you could think of. See, they know when we get it, it'll never leave. So the only thing they got to resort to is to get in your head. But then again, those are fallen angels. And this is the age of Aquarius, World War III, the war on the mind. But mark my words on this. Each chosen one that can maintain a strong mind, they will replace a celebrity in this next season. Because if you think about it, we got the best everything. We got everything. We got the best rappers. We got the best singers. We got the best actors. We got the best producers. We got the best directors. We write the best music. We create the best dances. So whatever you do as a chosen one, just keep that mind intact. Keep that mind intact and watch. Sooner or later, you're going to be at the highest scale in the world doing what you do, and you're going to notice, damn, my idol used to do this, and they're no longer doing it. That's because you replaced them. Because them Masons and Eastern Stars back in my city, they call themselves trying to destiny swap with me. Huge fail. My mind way too strong for that. They tried to sacrifice me. Epic fail. How you gonna sacrifice somebody that see the future? How you gonna plot on a dream interpreter? How could you plan a scheme on a remote viewer? I'm watching you do it. They tried to conduct a humiliation ritual on me. Epic fail. How you gonna humiliate somebody who don't care about public perception or reputation? So I think they finally starting to realize it's just an epic fail coming for a chosen one, and they need to start doing their homework. So keep them minds sharp, because you about to replace some cocky motherfucker who thought their position was set in stone for life. Continue to hone them gifts. We up next.